What's good with it? It's your kinfolk Dookie, back again with Bang, budget and do get reviews to help you get the best bang for your tech dollars. Today we're going to take a look at this promo pack that was sent over by the good folks at TCL. Now ironically, on the day you're actually seeing this, your inboxes are probably flooded with videos about another phone device that dropped, which I will be doing a review on, so make sure you stay subscribed. But we will get to the TCL 20 Pro 5G and the TCL 20 SE because you got to open up to elevate your vision. Now let's take a look at what came in this crazy bag that was full of TCL goodies. Now it comes in this really nice backpack, but before we get to that, there was something over here on the side. This was actually some TCL branded sunscreen and lip balm. I'm just like, yo, I ain't know they had their own sunscreen and lip balm, but boom, it looks like that's what they doing, so you can have your skin protected. And this is a really nice backpack from the North Face. If y'all remember them Bubble Goose jackets in the 90s, it's North Face, man. We open up this first little packet and you get a little booklet that explains what they got with their new phones and specs, something for you to flip through and file to the side. Shout out to Flossie Carter. Then you got a TCL branded mask so you can stay protected out here in these COVID streets. Looking into this bag, man, it's a really nice bag. This is definitely gonna go to one of the nieces or nephews. In this pocket, there was a lot of stuff, man. They had a really nice marketing budget for this right here. Opening it up, the first thing we see is this multi-tool. It's a cute little Swiss Army type thing with some branding on it. Nothing more, nothing less. Then we get to this box that had a bunch of sprays. So you had sunscreen, insect repellent, bite relief, a lot of different things that you could use when you're out about doing your thing. Now, while you're also out, you need a water bottle, and who's gonna turn down a water bottle with a built-in speaker in the top? Now, I don't even have this anymore. Shout out to young Militron, my brother. His little son is rocking that right now, so hopefully he stays hydrated and keeps the beats going. Then you get a case for the actual TCL Pro 5G, which I have on the phone. Again, we'll do that later. Opening this up right here is when I realized that the TCL 20 Pro is wireless charging, because you get a wireless charging battery bank. So that's pretty cool. We'll definitely be touching on that in the video for the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Make sure you're subscribed. I'm not playing. Also, we have a flashlight right here. I thought that was pretty cool, but something else for them to put some branding on, just so you can have that out if you're going to be out in the streets. And shout out to these Panasonic batteries. It wasn't Panasonic, it was Panasonic. Never seen that before. But yeah, this was a cute little flashlight that you can have in your bag and keep with you. It actually had a lens on there so you could adjust how bright it was. I hate to flash it in your eye, but you got to know what it is. And then we have the phones. Like I said, we will be doing a separate video on these, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more from TCL. It's your kinfolk Dookie. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and never forget to holler at your boy.